Anduril Industries has announced plans to build Arsenal One, a $1 billion, 5 million square foot hyperscale manufacturing facility near Rickenbacker International Airport in just south of Columbus, Ohio, which will supposedly revolutionize autonomous defense system production, create over 4,000 high-paying jobs by 2035, and solidify Ohio's role as a hub for defense innovation. As some regular listeners may know, I live in Ohio, pretty close to this, so not too far from Columbus, about an hour. Um, I have mixed feelings about this. On the one hand, I love the idea of the more jobs for Ohio kind of thing, but on the other hand, the autonomous weapons thing is kind of, I don't know. As I get older, I don't want to say I'm anti-war exactly. I mean, I am as far as just going out and killing people for no reason, like we've done in the past, or for poor reasons. I'm fine with defending ourselves. That's great. We need to do that, but it's just on one hand, I mean, the economic benefits to Ohio are clear. It provides, skilled employment, stimulates local businesses, can elevate the region as a hub for advanced manufacturing. On the other hand, the ethical and strategic implications of autonomous weapons raise some concerns. These systems, we're told, rely on AI, which can make life or death decisions faster than humans, raising, questions about accountability, oversight, and the potential for misuse. This Terminator-style robotics, I know everybody was waiting for me to use the word Terminator, is a common concern with autonomous military technologies. While Anduril and similar companies argue that the systems are designed to enhance safety and protect soldiers by minimizing human exposure to combat. In other words, let the robots fight it out. Critics worry about the risks of fully autonomous systems making decisions without human intervention. And international conversations about regulating these technologies are ongoing, but the field's rapid growth often outpaces such discussions. Similarly to the way that AI, chat models and stuff have sort of outpaced the legal questions about, copyright and things like that. I do like the name Anduril, of course, being a bit of a nerd. Anduril was the sword that Aragorn got towards the end of the Lord of the Rings trilogy. It was formed from the shards of Narsil, which was the sword that Isildur grabbed from his dad after it broke and cut off Sauron's finger with the ring on it. So while I admire the name of the company, I'm still a bit squishy about the whole concept. What do you folks think out there? Leave a comment. Am I just being a curmudgeonly old guy or what? Let me know. Hey, thanks for watching. Take care. Catch you next time.